Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the tea? Siyahlaziya. Guys, we continue to unpack on Senzo Meyiwa's proceedings today at court. Hey, Umnisi is hot. Second day, he took other directions. Umnisi is like, what? I'm not ngizodlala abantu. Bantu babies beqambana namanga. And ufaka no accused number 3 kona lapho in the mixed. To a point where Ukininda yesterday even said on Monday, the 19th, Kininda was like, bruh, please, like, are we not doing accused number 1? I thought we'll be busy with accused number 1. I am actually finished with accused number 3. That's what he said. Those were his words. Umnisi was like, no. And at the end of the day, guys, he can do whatever he wants. He can go back and quote. And it's never bophisa bonke be5 bengenzele lutho. So you might as well, you know. You know that Brigadier Kininda today told us at least 3 times that he was the lead investigator. I am the lead investigator. I was the lead investigator. I was just like, bruh, please. Goba ute Umnisi. Actually, I'm trying to find out if this information is authentic that you gave me. You understand that? So what then happened? He wanted him to explain. Okay, accused number 1, ikwenzakalani again, and accused number 2. Accused number 1, guys, at some stage was actually even arrested. There were like 3 warrant of arrest for him. I'm just like, wow. 2 counts as a M. That's what the just about to delete someone. Attempted deletion. And then obviously, I mean, UBC has come out many times. And those are the things that Ukininda plans for these people. I need to know. Even accused number 3, that's why he was explaining so it means when you got to the house, you put some things there. Some gun exist. They say you are come red gun and say accused number 3 go say Uchiko umntanakhe Longothala came with the gun there. So we are one with Labafana Bapila in Bileflunganjan for the past at least 5 years. I'm sure we're going for the 6th year by now. If we could in 2020 in June, he even said in 2019 in December today to Brigadier Kininda. Bobby was I actually don't remember. I think it was beginning of Jan. I'm like, these guys have been in jail for that much. Like I said, guys, and I have said it many times, but you know what? Those guys might have done some stuff like to accuse number 5 unamacala akhe ango 1912 for ayewenzile and wayekade egwetshwe 3 life sentences. But akakaze sambulala ngeso senzo. Yeah. Like I said yesterday also, because can we get that straight, please, moving forward? Because it keeps on coming and creeping up lento lokuthi bambulala bengakazi bambulala. Athi uBrigadier Kininda, yes, I continued with my investigation and I tried umbhekiseni ukuthi ene angitshele he must break down everything that he knows and umbhekiseni didn't wanna be seen because he was afraid and fearing for his life. I'm just like, what? And if you've noticed, Umuze Sebe umobuka kabi uKininda, he was also looking at him again today, like, oh, guys, like, nonke like serious, you believe this guy? Bandla changiki. So uBrigadier Kininda continues to say, yeah, yes, as a lead investigator, I continue to check on Umuze Sebe, and then I did find out no, actually, unama cases as nalena ge UBC and iDakamizwa. And then when he was arrested in Tembisa, he was also arrested for ammunition as well, besides the UBC and Dakamizwa's. Usejet Mohola ge uyena ge owa interviewer accused number 1 ge about ama cases akhe. Yeah, so nje guys, you know what? Labo accused number 5 bayizwile impilo. And there were allegations that were said by the state about accused number 1 being interviewed by Umuhola, and accused number 1 seemed to know about the case. But you remember when they said, yeah, but they had heard 100. Not that they deleted him. They know nothing about him like that. Remember, I've said it so many times. Because yeah, but we might have heard he did pass on. He was actually deleted in the house. But it doesn't mean that we're at the crime scene. We were not there. They did not delete the guy. Hey. Guys, so yesime kancane sizoqhubeka futhi kusasa ngendaba kaSenzo Meyiwa in the proceedings today. So that's how we get accused number 1 was arrested. The lead investigator did take us through, and he had to break it down to us. Ubani ubrigadier Keninda namangake. Hey namangalo guys. I don't know how he does it. I don't know how he goes to sleep at night. And ubembuka nje today umuzi sebeya like, wow, bra. No yenzile into yakho. I give that to you. Similar, guys. For now, thank you so much for your support. Ngithanda over. Thank you.